Durack Civil has been engaged by the Lockhart River Aboriginal Shire Council under the disaster recovery funding arrangements to deliver essential road restoration works in this area. These works are focused on repairing extensive pavement and drainage damage caused by recent severe weather events, helping reinstate safe and reliable access to the Lockhart River community. We're proud to be delivering this project in collaboration with Black & Moore, the design consultants for the works, and to be working closely alongside Council and the community to ensure the project outcomes are long-lasting. While our crews are on the ground restoring vital road links, we're also investing in something just as important: local people. It's great to be here in Lockhart River this time, not just talking about opportunities, but seeing them in action. A few weeks ago, we attended the Cultural Festival to connect with community members and start conversations around training and employment pathways. Today, that's come to life. We now have 9 locals completing their traffic control training, guided by our supervisor, Mark Purcell, who's leading the hands-on practical sessions on site. For Durack Civil, this is what it's all about: creating real pathways, building skills locally, and ensuring every project leaves a lasting legacy long after the works are complete. We're joined today by 3 of our trainees, Chloe Acom, Tamara Piva, and Elijah Boson, who have done an incredible job through the theory sessions and are now putting those skills into practice out here on site. This is just the beginning of what we hope will be an ongoing partnership where the local people have the skills, confidence, and opportunity to keep building their own community.